Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: game updated, account progression at least level 10, and inventory stocked. Once done, secure the required resources: 5,000 gold, 3 rare tokens, 2 crafting parts, because the recruit counter consumes them. Next, open the recruitment menu and select the limited time banner labeled Executioner Panda. This triggers the special spawn algorithm. Do this now so timers begin. You want early attempts while the drop pool is full, and competition. You now focus on maximizing probability. Use a 1/2 rarity boost consumable immediately before every pull to shift weights in your favor. This directly multiplies the spawn chance. Meanwhile, complete the daily event quests to stack temporary bonuses because the game accumulates modifiers. Once you have token sets, combine them to trigger a 20% pity bonus, which guarantees improved odds after a set number of failures. Keep a steady cadence of pulls while tracking counters. You finish by timing final pulls for the peak bonus window, when event multipliers and pity stacks align, because that's when success probability is highest. If you don't get Executioner Panda, troubleshoot. Immediately reset the UI, relog, and verify that consumables and token combinations registered. This fixes most sync issues. Make sure to document counters with screenshots before contacting support. They can help only when you provide proof, and only after you've exhausted in-game fixes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.